Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jason Wong. Today, this evening, I would like to share technical reading on Felder Global Venture Holding Berhad. This is the daily chart, and it ranges from year 2012 to date. It's very clear. This stock is dropped from 240 and keep making the lower low. Up to this stage, right? We do see form some sort of like a triangle. Okay, with this triangle break down and form another low, right, lower than here, rebound. Okay, trying to retest the low, fail, rebound again. There's a reason sell down because of MCO and also the worldwide wireless issue causing is a sell down. And this is give a clue, right? There's a bottom seem to be found at about 65 cent range to 70 cent. This is a big picture of Asia. I'm sorry, FGV. Next, move on to the next analysis, which is like we want to go into build our trading plan and also the technical analysis. Now, you look at here, connecting the line, the trend line, it seems to be like it's forming another triangle, right? Or it look like a yeah, it look like a triangle, right? And today I did highlight this stock, right? In the daily in the Telegram group. In fact, I think I did highlight that I brought in about 1 ringgit 13 cent and 40 cent. Yes, that's right. Right reason being is because you look at here. We have a gap because of, I believe there's time is like there's a MCO announced together with worldwide market is back. This guy is gap down, all the way sell down. Okay, there's a making a gap here now. So yesterday this stock is traded with a volume, right? This guy day before is a pretty bullish indicator, right? Candle, right? Yesterday time to close the gap, right? Look at here, the gap is here. Now close the gap, rejected. Now today is a buy signal for me. One is broke a buy above 110, and is confirming is a breakaway from this gap. Okay, and we do see the form a very strong immediate support around this area. Okay, so then during closing I add another position which is 120. Typically we're looking at this volume and also with this big candle. Typically I anticipating tomorrow and day after tomorrow likely we will be continue to rally. Okay, now the question is like how far it can go, right? Because we are trading in this range. Like first thing, like you can use a different method, right, to do the forecast, right? So one of the family or the analysis, right? One is the Elliot wave, the other one is a 4-stage market analysis, right? So pretty much the same, right? We're looking at how bullish and how far it can go. And in the Elliot wave perspective, we call here is a wave 3. And 4-stage market analysis is called the stage number 2 is marking up, right? It's a very clear signal because of the volume is here. The price volume action is telling is marking up, right? And it's how far it can go. First thing probably I will define the resistance. Where is my resistance? Now, okay, and probably here probably let me take a look. Okay, now pretty clear. Sorry. Here is around this range, right? This range, yeah, this range is a first resistance, right? It's a resistance here. Okay, now first range resistance here, second resistance is here, around this downtrend. I mean, though, yeah, it can consider the big trend downtrend line. Of course, mid-term, right? This is already over. It's already considered is why off. It's off the downtrend because this candle break. Then now it's marking up, and likely I would say will be going to this range, right? One break above 137, he will go to challenge like 150. A big ramp 150. Let me put down for you, right, so that you can take a look, right? Probably is a 150. That's right, 150. Then the next level is 160. Yes. Okay, now, and immediate resistance we're looking at all this range, right? And target wise, I would say use a Fibonacci, okay, extension. Now it is a range because it go above the 161. Typically you go to a range of 130, 135 to 142 range, right? I'm aiming for this price moving towards this path, no, and eventually how it's going to work out. And when reach this area, it might go to some consolidation. Then another is strong enough, right? It break about this downtrend trend line, right? Then it's going to be a massive bull run, you know, this range, you know. So I'm looking forward, right? I'm looking forward tomorrow, right? Very important tomorrow. We're going to move out, right? Probably around this range. Okay, I hope, and because this is really a kind of very bullish kind of signal. Okay. Now, whether like it or not, the CPO, FCPO futures, right, have certain level of influence in terms of sentiment to FGV, and let we look into this FGV. I mean the FCPO futures, right? Crude palm oil. Okay. Yeah, first of all, you look at here, right? Crude palm oil, and a lower low. Okay, you see forming a downtrend. Okay, it's broke. Let's say which is which is good, right? Let me draw a better line. Okay, being broke away, right? Which is good. And we let's say look to closer look, right? And we also another resistance, you see. Okay, and this gap down is a close, right? In fact, you look at here, the gap down, and then you're going to close the gap. In fact, it's been rejected yesterday. Okay, here, and today is a kind of close on the Marble Zoo candle, right? Look at here, Marble Zoo candle, and likely going to be have another rally up. I would say pretty good to give another boost to FGV. Okay, so now back to FGV. Now after having this have this sharing and technical analysis view, and some of us might have a certain idea or different opinion on TA technical analysis, right? Be it whether you have agree on what I analyze, or you don't agree, or agree. Probably you might leave a message into my YouTube so that we can have a two-way communication, interaction, so that we can learn together. And also, I would say we got to plan out our trading, no? Not just blindly follow anyone buy call. But I can tell you this is not buy call. I share TA technical analysis, and I hope we can learn together. Okay, and if you have any question, you can always leave a message to me, and feel free to ask any question, and don't forget to like, Okay, and subscribe my video. You go to subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friend who would like to learn on how we do our trade, and important, very important, so that you are sharing to the person he can benefit. Thank you very much. Thanks to listen to my sharing.